All right, guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the cameras on the OnePlus Nord N20. So a lot of you guys probably still have your N10, but the N20 is probably a nice upgrade to that particular device, because that is technically what it replaces is the N10. Now, unfortunately, I sold my N10 a while back after I got it. I didn't like how slippery it was on the hardware on the back and everything, so I got rid of it. And I'll say this hardware right here is a major upgrade from the N10. I think you will really be impressed with this frosted back that it has. And then at the bottom down here where it's clear or shiny, it's got the IMEI number printed down there. But it would have been cool to just have it all frost, but I guess that's a little design element that they decided to do, and that's perfectly fine with me. These cameras, though, are fairly impressive now. That's going to come to, I think the photos are actually really good. Some of the photos were kind of blurry, but like in a regular shot, it seems like it was a 64 megapixel shot. So some of those 64 megapixel shots, I thought they would be really crisp and really sharp, but some of them were a little blurry, like the GoPro Hero 9 and my picture of my JLabs. They have a lot of detail, but if you really zoom in on a phone, you might not be able to tell any difference when looking at the content. But on a computer, if you kind of zoom in, you can see that 64 megapixel is kind of reaching a little bit. So stay within the regular photo taking, and you will see some great shots in this video right here. These cameras do very well. But I've had this device now for going on 2 days, and I wanted to go ahead and knock the cameras out for you in a separate video. So here's a look at the cameras. I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to play some music over the footage, and just let you sit back and enjoy. It's just a minute or two worth of some videos, worth of a video and some photos, and I think you'll like what you see. So if you have the N10, based on comparing it directly to this, you're getting some good upgrades, but I'll let you take a look for yourself.